Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video about how to download and install Ubuntu server. So first of all, you need to go Google or any browser you use and search it as Ubuntu or download Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is a software that you can use, and Ubuntu is a Linux distributed based on the deep-brain and composed mostly of the free and open source software. So if you want to know more about the Ubuntu, you can search it as Ubuntu and get these resources as well. So most great resources are from Wikipedia. In that case, you can follow the Wikipedia page and get an idea about the Ubuntu. So to download Ubuntu, after you search it as Ubuntu, in here you can see several links, and if you click directly download, it will lead to the downloading Ubuntu page. So you need to download Ubuntu desktop. In that case, click download Ubuntu. So you will redirect it to another page and it show Ubuntu 12.2 and these things 22.4.3 LTS and the versions. I will recommend first one and click download. And you will get a thank you message on your desktop, and while your Ubuntu package will start downloading, and it has 4.7 GB. In that case, you need to prepare free data package more than 4.7 GB to download Ubuntu desktop. So I already download this Ubuntu package. In that case, I don't need to. I know I'm not going to continue this downloading process, so you just need to download. And also, if your downloading process didn't start without any error, so you can use this link, the download now, and it will start download again. This can happen due to the bad internet connection or some connection failure. After you download your package, always your package, this downloading package will download to your download folder with the white background. Ubuntu version and the name like this will appear your download folder. After you double click on this one, it will shows like this, and because of this is a different software, it will say like unknown publisher and give a warning message from your security warning, but you can still open it. So it looks like this, and this is the Ubuntu folder you already download. So to add this download, you need now open your Oracle VM VirtualBox. In previous video, you saw that there are steps about the Ubuntu. For the Ubuntu, I create a video about the Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can use this VirtualBox to use different OS operating system while using Windows computer in virtual way. So I use this for the Ubuntu. To start Ubuntu, you need to go Ubuntu, and for create this one, I will show it here. Go to new and give a name as Ubuntu, and also type need to be a Linux, and the version need to be Linux version Ubuntu 64-bit, and you can go to the next. And next. But I already created this one, and in that case I can't overwrite on it, so I can't go next. But after you filled all the necessary things they ask, you will get this Ubuntu into this left side corner. So for adjust more settings, click on Ubuntu and go to the settings. So in here general, you can see it already selected basic, so you need to click on advanced and go to this drop down and change bidirection to it bidirection. So it defaultly in a disable mode. in that case you need to select this one to bi-directional, and there aren't anything you need to change. For the system, leave it like this, and for the display storage, you need to change for the do some small change to the storage, because in here this will appear as empty disk. So in that case you need to add Ubuntu using these storage settings. So you can see in here there's a CD icon, and you can click on it and open your Ubuntu folder in your folder already saved, and open it and give OK, and you don't need to change any other settings. After you've done it, you can click on Ubuntu and ask to start. So you have to wait until few minutes, maybe few seconds, to power up this Ubuntu version, and it will show how much we need to stay and the percentage of the storage. And if there are any error, it will show like this, because maybe I tried several times to install the same package. It can be some errors when I try to open. So if you got error like this, you need to recreate your file. So to recreate, you can discard and settings, add and find your Ubuntu folder, and open it and select Ubuntu VBox and open it here, and you can change settings here, system, display, storage, and you need to give a type is already here, and hard disk and port, you need to change these things. And for this you need to select your Ubuntu version. It will change automatically. And check whether your previous things changed. No, like okay. So then let's try again, and here you can see preview what happening here, and if you're having any error or warning, it will appear in the right side. And at first it shows that can't open machine, and now powering up to the 100%. And let's see if we can open it now. See, now you need to wait until these things to go smoothly, and after it start running without error, you can see it loading. So after it load, you can move to the next step. And you can install Ubuntu and leave your language as English and give continue, and install third-party software for the graphic and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. You need to give tick on this one and continue. Sometime for the each step it will take some times because it's a virtual machine, and also for that you need speed and good connection to continue. But if you having any connection problem while you are installing, it will show like this. So you don't need to bother this warning because it's a virtual, right? You are not installing directly to your computers, and you can go next. After give install Ubuntu package to this in this virtual place, it will open it, and it will show where are you, and you can give your country and continue. And for who are you, you need to give a name and create a password for this, and also confirm your password. So you need to give your username, and it will assign to your computer name and pick a username as well. So you can assign a password, and if it's okay for a good password, I add normal one. Also you can continue to log into automatically or require my password to log in, and give a continue. And now installing process and copying file started. It may take some while to launch the file. So you can see at the bottom some file is still copying, and after this orange color bar completed, your installation Ubuntu installation process over for this part. After installation process done, this is the home page of Ubuntu, and it's already installed here. And for the applications in Ubuntu, you can go here, and these are the applications you want. And for the terminal, you can open it here, and if you want to pin it, you can give right click and ask to pin it, add to favorite. So no pinning command, so in that case you need to add. When you click add to favorite, it will appear here, and you can directly use your terminal panel. Let's see if whether working or not. Checking some with example.